Hello again, this is Jen, and I have these two pictures that I wanted to scrapbook, and I was doing some like handmade background papers today, so I decided that I wanted to try to make one that would go well with those two pictures. So this is what I came up with. There is a lot of different techniques and just stuff going on here, but I think that with some papers these pictures will look really cool on this background. So up close, I mean, I did the same thing with the other layout that I shared, is I covered it with gesso so that the paint didn't absorb through the paper. And this is the same cardstock that I used on that one as well. And I actually painted the perimeter of the paper with an orange paint then, and then just used orange, brown, like an off-white, I think it was called parchment, and medium leaf green, I think, paint, and used bubble wrap to give it a lot of texture. And then I just had some things lying around that I used, like an end of one of those paper, it's about that long. You could use the end of a pencil eraser if you had one that was flat, just to put like little dots there in that corner. I don't know if you can see it. I splattered all over it too with orange and green. And then these streaks here were just made with an old gift card, and I just dipped it in the paint. And I use the gift card to smear out my gesso, and I use it to smear paint and stuff too when I'm doing backgrounds. So I like the way that it turned out. I think it has a lot of texture, which gives it interest, and I'm anxious to scrapbook these pictures with that. Now I just have to figure out what papers I want to go with it, because the background's there's so much going on in the pictures, and it all sort of like goes really well, I think, so I don't want to take away from that. So I'm not sure what papers I'm going to use. It'll probably be pretty minimal. But anyway, that's all that I wanted to show you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.